guys, this is David Peterson from publicdomainphotography.com. I'm going to show you today how essential equipment for cleaning quickly to keep in your camera bag. First of all is the air blower. Just works by removing loose debris. This is the easiest, least invasive and highly efficient form to remove dust while on the move. Secondly, we're going to show you is a brush. I prefer retractable ones with a cover. Always check it's clean, it's got no debris before you use it. Brush is just for dirt particles, lens surface, soft. Make sure you get a proper photography one. Next thing I'm going to show you is the use of a microfiber cloth. Microfiber is effective for removing smudges, fingerprints. Good thing about microfiber is it doesn't leave debris behind, unlike cotton and certain over-the-counter facial tissues and things like that. This is designed to be very soft, efficient, really reduces the risk of scratching, while at the same time giving your camera a good clean. Gentle circles all the time, guys. Never apply too much pressure, and always remember it's best to avoid touching the lens if at all possible. Cleaning is a last resort. Once you've done that, if there's some stubborn stains that you can't get rid of, you need to do some active cleaning. You want to use a lens cleaning fluid. Make sure you get a proper one. Use it as directed, small drop. Now, don't just use any old over-the-counter dishwasher. You want to buy a lens cleaning fluid from your local photo store, Amazon or eBay. To wipe off the lens cleaning fluid, you're going to need a tissue. Now, optical cleaning tissue, this is ultra soft. Now, ultra soft, what does that mean? It's basically a very, very dense but extremely soft tissue, so it doesn't leave a residue behind. It's highly absorbent and it's safe to use on camera lenses. Don't use any old tissue because you will leave a residue behind. And then finally, optional for cleaning outside the camera and the lens cap underneath is cotton tips. Handy, soft, easy to use. Just be careful with them. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you at publicdomainphotography.com, World Wide Web's #1 source. Make it your #1 source for images. Thanks guys, see you there, bye.